2020 marks a critical milestone for the firm. We complete 20 years in business. If you'd asked us back then when we started this company whether we'd be around 20 years from now, I think we'd looked at you as if you were crazy. But the fact is we're here, and it's been an amazing journey. We've had phenomenal client wins. We've had really scary moments. But we've met some amazing people, and most of you are still here. And that's the most amazing part of our journey. It's the people, it's all of you that make Eclerx what it is.
I can certainly recall many interesting moments along this journey. Some of the highs, winning our first large enterprise account, the company going public, crossing significant revenue milestones. And I can also recall some challenging times when we were faced with demanding clients, or when Lehman Brothers went bankrupt, which at that time was a very significant event for us. But I think the most remarkable part about this whole journey is the high quality of clients and people that we've been able to work with, and also the high quality of problems that we've been able to solve for our client partners. And I think that to me has been the standout feature of this journey over the past 20 years. Today, if you look at the size of the company, we're about $200 million in revenue, serving a large number of Fortune 500 companies across different industry verticals, across geographies, having an employee footprint not only in India, but all around the world, with delivery centers in the US, in Europe, and in Southeast Asia.
About 3 years ago, we made a bet that to stay in this business and to stay relevant to customers, we needed to be much closer to customer. A lot of that meant actually being able to deliver in our customer markets. That led to the acquisition of Eclerx, which actually has shown how important onshore has become. That business has grown, has brought us a whole bunch of new clients, and is actually critical to our growth over the next decade or so. We bought 2-4 in the US that effectively gave us a footprint in the onshore delivery business in the market space, and it's been super critical for us. In fact, onshore delivery is now a very large percentage of our growth in the markets business. And in customer operations, we set up a Fayetteville delivery center. It's been the fastest growing part of our business in customer operations.
Technology has always been key to our DNA at Eclerx. From the very first days when we used to build Excel macros and workflow platforms, to today when we are using artificial intelligence and robotic process automation, it's a key ingredient in how we deliver services to our clients. Today, almost 500 team members are part of the software services team and are engaged actively in building competencies in these new emerging technologies and applying them to the core suite of services that we deliver to clients. At the end of the day, our business is a people business, and the quality of what we are able to achieve is heavily influenced by the quality of talent that chooses to work at the firm. So it's very important for us to make sure that we're actively listening. Eclerx has been a very rewarding journey for all of us who've been part of the firm for the past 20 years. And we feel incredibly fortunate to have been part of this. Most of our initiatives in the last year have been focused around education and making sure that the recipients of our aid develop the skills that make them employable and therefore help them achieve financial independence. There's tremendous opportunity, and I think one of the things that's most encouraging is that this is not just a central program run by the company, but almost 2,500 of our team members participated in some way, shape or form in our CSR initiatives last year, whether it was through payroll giving or spending time at one of the NGO institutions that we support, and that's very encouraging to see.